Good afternoon. Video ulit tayo ngayon. Bali ito, katulad nito, ginawa namin recently lang. So, thanks for Cecilio, Papa Ses, for doing this. And at the same time, yung bagong itsura ng aming grotto. As you can see, it's made of slate na mas maayos siyang tignan. I think I did a video about it, so you can see it in my channel. So this time is ito naman ang gagawin natin. So bale, we were going to just remake the picture or the fix the color. It's not as good as this original color, but it is quite okay. It will cover the bit of, uneven cracks and stuff, but wala tayong magagawa kung yan ang color talaga niya, saka luma na kasi ito. So anyway, it's made of terracotta. So ito yung barbecuehan namin, and the same time may hood siya, which is this one. Yan, so ito siya. So this is the head, the cap or hat of this one. Chimney, I should say chimney. So by here, and then ito naman yung kanyang so parang sa palayok sa Pilipinas, cover like that. See, especially if it is raining. So nagiging ano na siya ngayon, a bit of ugly na, kaya we're just gonna try to color it and just cover the white bits here as what I did just now. I did mix it up with white color, any color or acrylic white is fine, basta outdoor siya. And I mix it up here with I don't know, probably this is like an orange, but I think you can buy in other shops or online yung proper talaga. So at the moment, this is the only one I have. I don't want to waste it anyway. And may green tayo, so that we can probably color somewhere. Just a bit of touch. We will just see if it happens, if it is gonna be cool or not. If not, we can just paint back then to the original color. And a bit of umber burnt or brown, as I call it. All acrylic paints. So ayan, may pagkain pa tayo dyan. So anyway, this is the colors that I mixed, the two, which is the orange one and the acrylic burn umber or umber, I don't know it's the name, but brown, so I call it. I used this last time kay Mama Mary because it wasn't good. I had the blue as well, so I just repainted it 2 years ago, I think. So para at least makover yung mga uneven color, mga flakes already, colors that has been flaked already or removed already for how many years. So yan. So we mix this one. We mix this one with orange and brown, and then with the white color, and mix it up. So ito na yun. So let's see if this color is correct on the other one there. So we'll have a look. So we'll see if it's, I think we need to add more orange. Change the color again for probably about 3-4 times because I didn't get the proper one as it is on the down below. But anyway, okay na siya. So hopefully it will settle down soon, and hopefully it stays longer. Our revamp barbecue slash chimney. So we can do barbecue soon again. So that's it. Meron siyang nilagay kong detail. It was the other color before, but I just use what I have rather than buying loads. So it's okay anyway, unique. And if you like this channel, this video, please like, subscribe, and click notification bell. And I upload all of the videos coming up soon, especially this summer. And I'll see you again very soon. God bless. Bye-bye. And thank you nga pala sa mga subscriber po. Please support me. Thank you. Bye.